So you all can join through this pin. So this is quiz for yesterday's session. Okay, I guess you all got all the videos on Chorizo platform. Yes.
Not yet, sir.
They will upload it. They will upload it. No problem. Yeah. So after this, I'll show you a PDF. Based on that, we'll do. One more to come. I think Santosh. Yeah. Okay. Fine. I'm starting. I think I'll just check whether the session is recording or not. Yeah, it's recording. Fine. I'm starting it. Yeah. Fine. Children always sits on. Children element will always sit on. Good. Parent. Like the day I have explained you the three concepts. What are those? Could you remember those? First, I said 3 lines, which are very important. Always the size of the element the size of it depends on the size of the element. Okay, first one. And the second one is children always sits on the parent. Yes or
Content is everything.
yes, first one is content is everything. Next, order of code comes from the HTML. Okay, like order of the elements. And children always sits on parent, which is elevated towards the user and away from the screen. Okay. Yeah. So the next one, Deep Kumar. Which of the position attribute does not change the position of the element? Only 2. Why? Other 2. Give it fast. Yeah, it is static, not fixed. Actually, fixed attribute is there in position. What are 4 types of position? Hello?
Static, fixed,
Fixed. Static.
static,
Fixed. Yes.
then absolute, relative. 3.
4 are there. Like static,
One
fixed,
is
absolute,
relative.
relative. Yes. So does not change the position of the element. It might be both. Okay, like fixed means it will be fixed at one position. Static means wherever, like actually I should give this 2 answers as correct. Okay, so both are correct. Okay, fine. So you understand the difference, right, between these 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, try to answer fast. Like you should be fast because relative position, the element changes the position according to the position of. Be fast. Relative means position will be changed according to the
Based on the
default position. Like whenever we write an element in HTML, it will be positioned at one place. Based on that place, you will get your position when you give relative. Okay, fine. Hope you understood. Yeah, so I'm putting the next question. Relative position won't affect the position of other elements. Understand carefully. It won't affect the position of other elements. I think one person has lost the internet, I guess. Yes? Guys, what happened? Which one is correct? Tell.
True.
Okay, who says false? Why? Just tell your answer, like why you gave false, what you understood according to that. See, the day when I am showing you, when I kept the top as 30 pixel, the down element is at the same place, but it has overlapped. Like the position of the element did not change. It has
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
overlapped.
Like that's why we give the false, like overlap, like towards move forward or like right side or left side.
It didn't move, right? Other element. If I say, see, we have given three blocks from one below other. Okay. For the first block, when I gave top, did it change the position of second element?
No, sir.
No. Then we should put true here because
Sir, it will overlap.
it will overlap, but the position of the second element is same, right?
Yes, sir.
The question, if you see, relative position won't affect the position of other element. Yes, na. It didn't affect the position of second element. It has overlapped on that. Yes or no? Second element is
Yes,
there
sir.
itself. It didn't change the position. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
In absolute position, the element position changes according to the good. And in parent element, what we should give the position value as? In a parent element, we should give position as
Related.
good. So whenever we give a parent to our absolute, we should always give position as relative in that.
Relate.
Four of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we will implement those all in our
Yes,
class.
sir.
Nice. Good. Margin 0 auto. What does this mean? Like the values are given in which order? Actually, I gave wrong answer to this. You should give the correct answer. It is not that one which you gave. It is top, right, left, bottom. Wait, I need to check it once. Actually, I gave wrong, I guess. Let me check it. It will be in the clockwise direction. If you see top, right, left, and bottom. Understood? This one, third one. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Mm, okay. I have written it somewhere. Yeah, I am going to the next question. By default, serif font is added. Yes or no? Yes. What is sans serif?
No lines at the end, sir. No corners of
By
letters.
default, our fonts are categorized into how many types?
Mono, sans serif, serifs.
And one more is there.
Handwriting.
Yes. And one more is there which we won't use. Like its readability is very low. Okay. So most of the used is serif and sans serif. And monospace, what is monospace? Every element will be of same space. Like every letter will be taking same width, which we will use in most of the coding. Okay.
Sir, what is the last one? Mono?
Monospace.
Mono.
Yes. For font, we add the link attribute is inside which tag? HTML head, both HTML and it's not CSS, it's HTML. Yes, that is correct. We had it in the header tag. Which website should we use to get fonts? Good. Google Fonts. Shubham on the top. Nice. Which of the following is the best way to position the elements? By using which position element we can position our element wherever we want. Which one?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
See others, those who gave relative, that is wrong. According to you, like if I want to position an element wherever I want, I should use absolute, because it will change the default position of the element. Okay, so whenever I give position absolute, what happens is this element will not be linked with the structure. The default structure will be lost. Now wherever you want, you can put it according to the parent. If we don't give any parent, then default parent is
Body.
body. Understood? Those who gave red, please try to understand. Okay, if you want to position an element wherever you want on that website, you need to give it absolute, and based on top left you can manage the position. Okay, relative means again like it will be attached to the structure, because it will be based on the default position of the element. Understood na?
Yes, sir.
So previously what we have learned, this is what we have completed here. Okay, yeah, Santosh third, Deep Kumar second, and I think Shubham first. Nice. Okay, so today what we will do is, I'll just show you. Okay, we should complete this website. Okay, this is our entire website, final website. Okay, we should do like this. Okay, we have completed it up to here. Yes, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me open our site, like where we are writing. First, whenever you are developing a website, remember you should give the structure using HTML. Okay, our website name is what? CSS my site, I guess. This one only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, actually we added many fonts. You can format. Okay, when you click on this format document, it will structure nicely. Okay, see, like it was hunky funky, right? It was like the alignment was not good, but when you click on format document, it will format. See now, if I push this towards here, let's say, see this went here, right? When I click on format document, it will align it properly for our understanding. Okay, so we have created our first container and we have added the CSS. Okay, now let us once run this and check. Okay, fine. Now if I want to change, now let us see. Okay, actually this name should be a bit bigger than this, right? Yes or no? According to our website, according to this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us understand about size in CSS in more detail. Okay, if you see here, where is our body? Our head one, this one, right? So now I want to change the size. So what you can do is you can select font size. Okay, let me give it 90 pixel. Okay, here you will learn about three types of measurements. Okay, one is pixel, second one is em, and the third one is rem. Okay, if you see here, I'll just write it here: pixel, em, and rem. Okay, these are the three which you will learn. What does pixel do is, give me a minute. Okay, so now let us check the output. What has happened? See, it has increased the size. Yes, yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See, now if I inspect, let me inspect. Okay, if you see here, this header has a font size of, if I click on this header, see here it is showing 2em. Actually what I have given, it has cutted it, see here, 90 pixel. Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now in browser we have some settings. Okay, let me go to settings. Let me change the font size. Here we can change it. See here, font size is there now. If I put it to small, what happens is this text will be small. But are you seeing any change here?
No, sir.
See, I'll just put it to very small.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing any change here? Here, this one, not
Sir,
this one.
yes, sir.
This one
Paragraph
has
is
changed.
changed.
This one has changed, but this one is not changed.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That means whenever in CSS, if you give pixel, this value will be fixed. It won't change anytime. Okay. Let's say now if I have given 100%. Remember, 100% is equal to 16 pixels. Okay, remember this. Okay, 100% in size is equal to 16 pixels. Okay, now if I want to get 90 pixels, how much percentage should I give? Can you do the math?
14.4.
No, it should be more than 100, right? If I want to give 90 pixels, for 100% it is 16 pixels. For 90 pixels, how much percentage? Understood?
Sir, near about 600. Sir, 500 per.
500, sir.
Yes,
More than 500.
500. See now, 500 is exactly almost 500. Okay, because see, let us calculate it. What happens, like, see, if I give 100%, it is equal to 16 pixels. Now I am asking 90 pixels equal to how much? Yes, so what you will do, you will do 900 divided by 16. Yes or no? 9000 divided by 16, how
We
much?
directly divided 19 divided by 16.
Yes, so you will get 500 around. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Let us put 500. Let me put 500 percentage. Okay, now if you see, is it 500 pixel now?
No, sir.
See, I'll just change the settings to weight. I'll give it to medium. Okay, now it is 990 pixel. Yes, see now
Yes.
what happening is this font size is dynamic. That means if the user want to change it, he can change it. If I put it to very small, it becomes very small, because based on this percentage, since we have given percentage, it is changing. Okay, yes,
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Whenever
Yes,
you
sir.
give pixel, the size won't change. Let's say if now I have given, let's say 90 pixel. See now you observe, even though if I change the settings here to, let's say, very small, the size is 90 pixels itself. Okay, understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
four of you.
Like when we put the in percentage, then only change.
Yes, well, then only the user can change the font size as per his requirement. Okay,
Okay. Okay,
so
sir.
whenever you see a website, let's say you open some website, the font is too large, you can test this. If you want to reduce it, either you can reduce it or not. If it is not reducing, means what happened, what value you have given, four of you should tell.
Pixels, sir.
He has given it in pixel. Okay, but you should always prefer to use another one is there. Let me tell you. If I give, I'll write here 100% equal to 16 pixels. Okay, and 16 pixels is equal to 1 em. That means 1 em is also equal to 16 pixel. Okay, this is em is also same as percentage. Now in order to get 90 pixel, how many em should I give?
5 em, sir.
5 em. Yes, 5 into 16, which is around 90. Okay, so now what happens is it will be the same as percentage. Okay, let's check it. See now, if I change the settings to medium, actually em comes from, if you see, it is the size of the letter m, capital M, like this one. How much this capital M size is there, that many times. Understood what I like? Did you get it what I'm telling? If the size of the m is, let's say, 1 pixel, then 2 em means how many pixels? You have capital M, right? I think you are confusing capital M. Now if you give 2 em, this m will become double size. Understood?
Sir, 1 pixel, how many em?
1 pixel, how many em? 1 em equal to 16 pixel. You can remember.
16 pixel. Okay.
See, 1 pixel equal to like I'll tell you. See, 1 em equal to 16 pixel, which is equal to 100%. Okay, this is the logic you should remember. Okay,
Okay,
but
sir.
this em means 1 em is equal to size of 1 capital M letter in general English. What is the size of, like, every letter has its own size. Okay, capital M letter has the size of 1 em. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Just
sir.
to understand like what is em, I'm telling. Okay, but em we have used it somewhere. What is that? Could you remember? Em tag.
Italic.
Italic, sir.
Yes, very good. Only two are responding. Others, other two, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
One more. Only I got one.
Sir, Aman is not connected because of the network issue. So,
Tell him to come na. Like someone calling.
yeah, he texted me. He said I will see the recording on.
So understood about em. Like see, whenever always I request you to like you should prefer em. Okay. Now if I give 5 em means it is almost equal to 90 pixel. Okay. Understood? Em and percentage are dynamic. Pixel is static. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. 4 of you. 3 of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I want answer from 3. Okay. So now, according to our website, let's check. Okay. Let us change this size. Okay. Color. Okay. For now, let us change the color. It is 66BFF. Okay. How to change the color? You have directly color tag. Okay. Hashtag 66EFF. EF. Let's check our output. Okay, is it 66BFBF? Okay, I'll change it. 6BFBF. Okay, let us change the size to normal. Let me give it around 2 em, which would be good, I guess. That is around 32 pixel. Okay, or else let us increase it above. Let me give 4 em. Okay, Fine. Now what happens, like I should reduce this size, right? I'll just move make it somewhat small. Okay, or else I shall we let it be like this? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to just move this element a bit down so that it will be like grounded to the screen. Whenever somebody opens this image, I want to let a bit down. Okay. Now where should I change this?
Mountain tag.
We can also do one thing. Where is our header? This one, right? For mountain, we can give directly padding. Index.html images mountain. I will give a class name to this. Class equal to mountain. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now dot mountain. What should I give? Margin top I'll give. Okay, margin top. Let's say 20 pixel. Only for size you give em or percentage. Okay. Or let us give padding. Right. Padding. Let me give 20 pixel. Here, and you can observe one more thing. If you see here, this gap is more, right? We need to reduce this. Why this gap is coming? H1 as a default margin. We should put a H1 and H2 also. Let me put it to 0. Okay. Now it will be a bit good. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us go to the next one. If you see here, this image. Okay. So first one, what I will do is, see, this is our first container. Then I will divide it into two. This will be my second container. Okay. This entire thing up to here. Okay. Up to here. And up to from here to down, it will be our third container. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have divided our website into three components. This one will be third component. Okay. This one will be our second component, and this one will be our first. Okay. Now let me create, first let us create the structure. Okay. So div first container is over. Now I am taking another div for second container. Okay. Div, let's say I'll give it middle container. Okay. Class equal to, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Inside this, okay, if you see, this is our profile. Let's say this is our profile. Okay. And these two come under our skills. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. These are our skills. These two will come under our skills, and this is our profile. Okay. So what I'll do is, for this I will take one div, and for these both I will take one div. Okay. Since the heading, see, my skills covers these two. Okay. So I should uh, mix these two inside a div. Okay. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. This entire thing I will take as one div inside our middle div. This will be under one div, and these both will be under one div. Okay. Understood, I guess.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Three of you. Other one.
Sir,
Yeah.
what is the difference between div and span? The span also used for the partition, na? Like container.
Span also we can use, but span what it will break the like it won't do the block thing. Like the day we have used, right, in order to understand underline the pro, what we have done, we
Yeah.
have used small. That means it is not a block element actually.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
inside this, let us take two divs.
Sir, but we can change the display block, no, sir.
Yes, we can add that if you want. Here I'm taking two divs. First one is for, let's say, profile. Okay, I'll tell it as profile. I'll take another div, okay, which is for what? What another div is for what?
Skill.
Skills. Okay, fine. So this is our entire, understand clearly, this is this white up from here to here. This is our second div. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
can put all in one div, but position alignment will be hard if you do like that. Okay, you should divide your screen into parts, components. We call it as components. Okay, up to here we have taken our first container. From here we are taking our second, and this first one will be in one div. Okay, and this entire, both these two will be under second div. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now inside our first one, what are there? Let's check it.
Image, sir.
Image, sir.
Okay, let us take image. Okay, src, we should add our src. I will add it later. Okay, for now let it be like that. And next one is, what it is there, tell.
Hello text.
H2, sir.
I'll say hello team. Okay, for now I'm writing like that. And the last, see here, what you can do is, if you don't have content, okay, when you are developing a website, you don't, like, the customer didn't give you content, so what you will do is, there is a website which is called loremipsumgenerator.com. lorem ipsum generator. Okay, this website will generate you so much of content, like how much content you want, it will generate. Okay, 1 minute, I'll open loremipsumgenerator.com. See, you can enter, let's say, if you enter 2 paragraphs, generate, it will generate you 2 paragraphs code, 2 paragraphs of content. Okay, for dummy content you can use this. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
When you are developing something, actually the client won't give you the actual content in the start, so based on that you should put this. Okay, for now we will write it directly. And now here, what should I take for this one? What should I take?
B, sir.
Paragraph.
Yeah, I'm taking. So now I don't have content, so what I'll do is I'll copy it from here. Okay, where is it? So I'll copy some content just to then generate some random text. We can use that. Okay, now let us see our output. See, I got it, but the image is still not loaded. Okay, next what it is there according to this? First let us generate the structure and then we will design it. This one, which tag should I use for this?
Horizontal line, sir. HR.
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 Three of you understanding, na?
Yes, sir.
Should I give
Yes,
it
sir.
outside the div or inside the div?
Inside the div, sir. Or outside. Outside.
Outside,
Outside,
the
sir.
div. Because so that we can differentiate between divs. Okay, fine. Now I
Yes,
am
sir.
creating. Now let us come to skills div. Okay. If you see skills, now first one, what should I give?
H2,
H2.
sir.
H2.
So I'll take h2, my skills. Next one. Next one, what should I give?
Image, sir.
Image. After that, image. We will add images once at a time. Okay, all the images. Next one.
H4, sir. H4 is fine.
It's h3. Okay.
Yes,
Four of
sir.
you, like three of you getting na. Only one is telling answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Only two voices I am getting. Third voice, three are speaking or only two?
All are speaking, sir.
Sir, all are speaking, sir.
It's only like you should understand, because if you're not understanding, you tell me. I will explain it again if you want. Okay. H3. Okay. I'll keep the heading as design and development, or else mobile app development. I need to see after today's session, I need to see all of you posting the website in your LinkedIn saying that I have developed this using HTML and CSS, all the core concepts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See how people will react to that. Okay, you can observe, because LinkedIn has so much of traffic. Your post will be at most seen by, let's say, like if your connections are about, like let's say 500, your post will be seen by almost 1200 within 5 days itself. So try to post it. Okay. And the next one, like let us come to this next one, this one.
Paragraph, sir.
And for content we will take it from here. Okay. I'm taking this, I'm taking up to here. See now, let me format this document. See now, this this data is arranged. Okay, understood? See how
Yes, sir.
neat it is. If I format, it will be neat for us. Now what should I do after this?
Sir, can you move this page?
Okay. Here
H3, sir.
let us do one thing. Okay. What we should do is, since see this two and this one are combined, these two are together, right? If you see, this image should always be aligned with this. So what should I do?
Same div, sir. Put
So
all
these
three
two
together.
we should give it in same div. So what I will do is, because see, wherever this text goes, this should also go with it. Okay, because those two are linked together. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what I will do is, I will add a div. Okay, where I should add here. After this, I will add a div. Okay, and inside this, I will put these two. 1 minute. Okay. Bro. Hello. Bro.
దీన్ని నీకు పేమెంట్
Sure,
మనం
Baba.
చేసిన పైన
సరే బ్రో, నేను చెప్తా అతనికి ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్తా.
ఓకే
సరే బ్రో. ఓకే.
సరే సార్.
Yeah. Okay. So if you see, I have added this inside our div. Okay. Understood na? Here I'll give class as skill row. Okay. I'll now give skill row. Okay. One row is completed. Now what should I do?
Another div, sir.
I should take another div for the second row. Okay. Hope you are understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here I'll give the class as again skill row, because both are same. Okay. Or we can change it if you want. Inside this, first what it is there?
H3.
H3, P and image. Okay. So I'll copy it from here itself. Where this will come from? Okay. Now I'm copying these three. First let us add H3. Okay, one by one. After that P. After that, or let me add it here only. I'll add image on the top only for now. Okay, let it be here. Let us check our output. See, okay, I got my skills, mobile app development, and again mobile app. Here we need to add images. I will add those. Okay. Now let us complete the next part. Okay, this is our. Now what should I do?
Last div.
Sir, yeah, HR, sir.
Before I should add here HR. See where I am adding in for the second container, after second container. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't, are you getting confused? No, na?
No, sir. It's like as a table.
See, after this one, where should I add? Wait, middle container. This one is middle container. HR. I think I should add this div outside the middle container. That means, yeah, here itself, right? Correct only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what should I take? I'll take the another div, which is our class. What should I give? Bottom container. Okay. Now according to you, inside this, what it is there? H2, H3,
P.
E, and button. Okay, this button I'll tell you. H3. First one is H2, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Get in touch. Second one is H3, I guess.
H3.
What it is there? I will add some text. I'll just format it. After that, I should add a P. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. P. I will add some data. Fine. Here I will take that button later. Okay. For now, I am putting. Let's say I'll put anchor tag. Okay. Anchor tag. Contact me. For now. Okay. I'll tell you how to take the button. Okay. After this, like what should I take again? This is the, let's say this is another div which is footer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll call it as footer. Or else I will add it inside this only. It would be good. I will take a div. Okay. Inside that I will add these three. Fine. Inside our bottom container itself here, I will take a div. Okay. And I will give a class as footer. Okay. In this we have three anchor tags. First one is, let's say, Instagram. Okay. Understanding, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next one is, let's say, Twitter. And the next one is YouTube. And the last one is, let's say, P tag, which is copyright @Jayasurya. Okay. Now we have completed the structure part. If you see, okay, structure is complete now. Now we need to design this. Okay. First, you should always write the structure. Remember, okay. Then we can design that. Fine. Now we should change this according to our need. First, we will add images. Okay. Where will we take those images from? Okay, I will take it from. I'll take it from. In order to be neat, I think we should take it from here itself. Okay, I'll circle image crop. I'll circle image crop. Okay. अरे यार. I am changing it up to here. Okay, where should I download this from? Okay, it is downloaded. Now where should I add this? Anyone?
HTML.
First I should create a folder. Okay, I will just inside our here, inside our images, I will add that. Okay, I'll give it an image. Okay, so inside this src, what should I write? Images slash jsurya.png. Okay, now let us see our output. It is there, and let us add the next one. 1 minute. For my skills, like where should I add? This one here, right? This one and this one. For that I'll download it from, let's say, flat icon. Okay, you can download it from here. Let's say I'll type okay, I'll type web development. Let us download one, anyone. Okay, let me put this would be good. Okay, and downloading the png. It is free website, you can download it. Okay, fine. Now I'll drag this onto our website. I'm not circling it, it is taking time, right? Okay, you do that. Okay, images slash code.png. Let us check our output. What happened? Are you there? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me put this. I will add it to our website. Mobile phone.png. Okay. Images slash. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See now. Now let us try to change our design. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First thing, what should I do?
Height of image, sir.
Size.
Size of image.
Okay. Since we are working on this one, right? For this profile class, let us reduce the width. Okay, for the entire profile class, I'll come to here. I'll create dot profile. Okay, I'll give width. Let's say 50%. Okay, now let's check the output. See, it has come into left. Okay, that means this entire div is taking width of 50%. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I want it to center. What should I do?
Align at atoms.
Still idea?
Justify content centers. Margin left, right, 25%.
Margin. I said top, right, left, bottom. Okay. So if you give 0 and auto, let's check this. Yes, that means see,
Yes, sir.
this both will come from top and bottom. This both will go to left and right. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here what we can do is for this image we can add a class. Okay. Profile image. Let's say come to CSS dot profile image. I'll give height. Let's say 200 pixel and width. We can give it as we want. I think 200 pixel will be big, I guess. Did I give the name correctly? Let me check. Profile img. Sorry. Okay. Guys, you should tell me when I do mistake. Concentrate. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now let us come to our my skills. Okay. First one, like we have structured it as per our need. We will change the font and all those later. Okay. Gapping and all those. Now let us come to this. Okay. Now, if you see here, my skills is there. This image should come towards the left of this. Before doing that, first let us do it 50% as the same. Okay. So now we should go to skills row. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These skills we should not use. We should go with skill row. Okay. This and this are same. Okay. So it will change both. Let us change. Three of you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll give width 1 minute. Hello. Hello. ఓకే సరే బ్రో ఓకే నేను చెప్పాను అదే నేను చెప్పినా కదా మ్యాథ్స్ సరే బ్రో ఓకే 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 సరే సరే ఓకే 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 సరే ఓకే హే నో ప్రాబ్లం నో ప్రాబ్లం నో ప్రాబ్లం ఓకే ఓకే సరే ఓకే yeah, so what we are doing, we are giving this width, let's say 50%. Okay, let us do the same for this. See, now if I give skills row, it will change automatically for both. Actually I gave the class name wrong, I guess. It is skill row. Guys, you should tell me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See. Okay, now if you want to, we want this one to come towards side, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we should do is, give me a minute, I'll tell you. Now let us first bring this to the center. Okay, what should I do to bring this to center?
Margin.
Margin.
Auto. Okay, it will come to center. Both are coming, you check it. Okay, because I have given the same class name. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
see, if you see, like there is a property. Okay, first let me align this text towards the left. Okay, this should come here and this text should be aligned to left. Yes or no? So what we will do is, for this div itself we will add text align. Okay, text align left. See now what happens. These two text have came to the left. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First let us reduce the size of these images. Okay, after that we will. So I should give names to these images. I'll give the same name for both. So that, because both are same, right? Class equal to still image. I'll put it as, okay, understanding na?
But sir, another text we want to like left side, na?
I will change that. First let us do this. Skill image. Okay. I will change. I will tell you how to do that. We should use another property. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Skill image. What should we do? We should reduce the size. Let me change the width to 200 pixel and height to 200 pixel. Okay.
Yes.
Change.
Yes, sir.
హలో మీట్లో ఉన్నా హలో మీట్లో ఉన్నా ఓకే బాయ్ యా ఓకే ఫైన్ సో నౌ the main property comes here. Okay, see this paragraph is there na. We are in a div. Remember these two, for these two elements what is the parent?
Div.
Div. So for this paragraph, okay, let us, what we should do is we should first wrap these two text. These two are again linked to each other. These two should go this side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So first we should add these two inside a div. Okay, yes or no?
Okay.
And then move them
Yes,
towards
sir.
this. So let us add them to the div. Where it is? This one, right? These two. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I will add them to the div. Div. Inside this I will put these two. Okay, and I will give this a class name. Let's say paragraph. Okay, or else my skill row data. I'll put it as something skill row data. You should give names like, so that you can understand. Okay, and for this also I will do the same. I'll take a div. Since this is different, if you see here, this is image is going towards right and this is coming towards left. That means we should give different class name. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Class equal to here I have given skill row data 1. Let me give it 1. Here I'll give it 3 of you understanding na.
Yes, sir.
Skill row data. This what you do is, whenever you are trying to do, you try to do without seeing. If you are getting any doubt, you can just watch the recording. Okay,
Yes.
but try to do without seeing. First try. Now I'll just format it. Okay, now here let me take this skill row data. Okay, inside this skill row data 1. Okay, and here if you see, there is a property. This skill row data 1 consists of what? These two paragraphs, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if we put a property which is called float, okay, this image, for this image, if we put a property called as float for this, not for this, Okay, for this image, if we put a property float, what happens is it will automatically align with this. Okay, see, understand, this image is there na. Where is this image? Where we, that image name what we have given? Skill image, right? So inside this skill image, see, float towards left. Okay, observe now. Observe the difference. See what happened. See this image,
So
it is floated towards the left of the text. Okay, actually let me wait. Here we have combined these two into a div, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, let it be like that. Why this is coming like this, I am just checking. Wait. For this, did we give the center skill row data to skill image?
Sir, date. You wrote date instead of data.
And actually, why this both should come same? I think this image size is heavy, I guess. Yes, we didn't reduce the size of this image. We reduced or not? We reduced, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Let me inspect and check. This skill row. This is our entire skills. This is our first row. This is our second row. Now both are same, but when I actually, yeah, we didn't align this towards left, I guess, for this text. Did we do that? Wait, let me delete this line and check what is the difference between. Actually, both should be same. Did we do anything wrong?
Sir, I think you give the skill dash dash image class in index HTML double dash.
I changed it, I guess. Skill dash row. Skill dash image. Same only, na?
Ah, yes, sir.
Then why it's happening? Let us check once. Skill dot image width height. I think the image height and width, based on the image height and width. Let me put this percentage so that what do you mean by percentage? Like, let me give it 20%. Okay, it will take 20% of the width. Now let us try putting float to this image. Float equal to, if I put right, it will go right. Okay, equal to left. Now it's fine. Okay, see, actually this image size is higher than this. Both are not in same size. That's why it showed like that. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
but here if you see one thing. Okay, now let us do this. We want a gap like towards this side, right? These two somewhat, because these two are so much attached. So I think you understood this float property, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
three of you. Yes,
Yes, sir.
But sir, the second image is the right side, na, in this project.
I think we should change it again. Here we should change this to skill image 1, image 2. Now
Yes,
what we
sir.
will do,
We can change the
here I'll give 1.
float
Float
right.
right.
Yes,
Float
exactly.
right.
Skill image 2, same properties but with float right.
Right, yes, sir.
Let's check it. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Here let us take some gap. Since it is already here, it is okay, but here we should take gap. So for which class should I give the gap? This one. So in order to give, we can give either padding, okay, let's say 20 pixels. See how it will be. From 4 sides it will take 20 pixels padding. Wait, let me give
Sir,
margin.
it is margin, sir.
Margin.
Margin left. Okay, let me give it 20 pixel. Did I give the class name wrong? Skill row data 1. Correct only? Skill row data 1. Why it's not going? It should go. It should go, right?
Sir, increase the margin, I think.
No impact. It should go. It should go. I think we are doing something. Check once. Once check everything. This both we have combined it in a div skill row data 1. Skill row data. Skill row data 1. Wait, let me give margin from all sides. We can do it in different way, but I'm thinking why this is not working.
Sir, try inspecting the page, sir.
What has happened? Did we give image inside our div? Okay.
I think
I
so.
think, sir, you can give different do for image and different do for
For
text.
We have done that actually. When this float property is there, actually, this is adding like inside this div. Why this is adding this one, this image? Why it's adding that? See, if you see here, when I put on this margin, the image is inside the div. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
I told that, sir.
Then we should use another div for this. Either what we can do is, let us wait. Let us remove this div. Okay, I'll also remove this div. And what I'll do is directly for the image, I'll give margin left. For first image, it's margin right, I guess. Yes. Yes or no? Now it worked.
Yes, sir.
Here it's not needed. It's nice only, na? Or shall we give
Yes,
it?
sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now we will design this later. Okay. Now let us come to the next part. This HR, it is there, na? Okay, fine. Now these things we can do it easily. What we should do now? Tell me. These two. First, what should I do for this bottom thing? If you see here, bottom container, this is our footer. Okay. For bottom container, what should I do? First thing, tell. You should tell now. Since we have done three.
Colors.
Bottom. Colors we will change it. Colors we will change it. Where it is typing? Okay, sorry. Bottom container. Now tell what should I do first thing? So this what we have done.
Width 50%. Sir.
Very good. First we should make it width 50%. Others, both of you understood now what we are doing. See now what happens.
Yes, sir.
Width has become 50%. Good. After this,
Margin.
margin
Yes,
center. Margin. Who should I give?
0 to
0 to.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Now for this footer, we need to add some div. Okay. I'll give color to that div. So it is dot footer. Okay. I'll give color. Let me give some color. Okay. Aqua for now.
sir, background color.
Sir, it's background.
Nice. I want this kind of interaction. What happened? What we have done the mistake?
Sir, giving margin.
Width
Width should be 100%.
100.
Or let us do one thing. Let us put this footer outside. Okay. This will be a different thing. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why we are getting this gap? Any guess?
Sir, automatic margins.
What?
Div, sir.
For body. Body it is there. Okay. Let us check.
For footer, sir.
You also will have automatic border. For footer. It's not there. Margin is not there. Well, let's try aligned. Align property for this. Where is this footer? Align self. Or else align item, I guess. Let me check. Give you a try. What can we try? Any idea?
Sir, margin bottom 0, sir.
Still there. Let us see how to set footer to the bottom. How to set footer to the bottom. Yes. Justify content space between. Position absolute bottom 0 itself. Let's try this. If you give position absolute, what will be the default parent?
Body, sir.
Now if I give bottom 0, it will be sticking. It came up. It will change its length. So let's not try this. Let me give bottom. Position fixed. Why actually we are getting this gap? Let me check. 964268. అదే వదిలేసి అన్ని వాళ్ళు వేస్తారు. Any try from your side?
So try position relative and margin bottom 0, sir.
Relative and margin bottom 0. Actually, okay. Default margin at the bottom. How to remove default margin at the bottom? I think we can put directly bottom 0, I guess. Will that work?
Sir, we can put margin top auto.
Actually, we should not give margin, right? When we give relative, we should put bottom. Now it will work, I guess. No update. Let me check it.
I think, sir, position is fixed and my bottom margin is 0 pixel.
Where it went? It's not there.
Sir, try giving a percent, sir. 0%. Yes, sir.
Didn't work. Let me try something.
Sir, I think when you give minus margin, then it will work.
Minus it will go there, na? Actually, like I need to know like where this default margin is coming from. Either it's from the body or because of the paragraph. I think because of the down para which we take. I'm thinking because of this, this one. Okay. Understood. See, why it's coming, if I inspect, guys,
Yes, sir.
observe now. We have taken the bottom container right here. Where is this? This one. If you see here, it has a, see here, this is totally different. Mhm. Oh, it has a padding, I guess. I think padding is there for this. Padding should be 0.
Sir, try body padding 0, sir. Yes, sir.
See, now I'll do the magic. See, uh, for this, let me put padding 0. No, I think padding bottom should be 0. Mm-hmm. अरे यार
Sir, is there something below footer in index.html?
nothing is there.
Okay, sir.
Guys, it is because of paragraph base. Because of this P we are getting. Let us try inline CSS. For this P, what I'll do is I'll put margin style. Okay, I'm trying inline. I'll put margin 0. Okay, just trying. See now, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This P is giving the margin. Okay.
Sir, but P is inside the div footer, no, sir.
Yes, but see, that day when we done here like H1, if you see for body the margin is 0, but for H1 it is there, so it is coming down. See,
Okay.
let me now see. Now you understand. I'll just remove this. See now. Now if I go to this, I'll inspect inside. Actually, we should have checked inside this using P. See, it has. See the box model. It has 16 pixels margin. Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us start the designing part. Okay. Now tell me how to change this color.
Color blue, sir.
Let us come one by one. Okay. Middle container first. This one. Okay, fine. For image, I'll just give some padding. Okay. Profile image. Where is profile image? I'll give padding 20 pixels so that will padding affect the size of the image?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Give it 40. Okay, fine. Now we got a good gap here. Okay, here and here. Or else for the entire thing, what we can do is we can use line spacing or else line height. Let's do for this. Hello team, we'll change the color. How to change the color?
Color and color name.
I think we should create for this one we should give heading. Okay, we should take another class heading, dot heading. Okay, color, let me give it teal. Okay,
Yes, sir.
for this paragraph what I will do is we can change the font. Okay, like we had it, right? I always love to choose Montserrat font, but for now I'll give this font. Okay, what we have used here for this, for font family, I think we have used it somewhere. This one, right? I'll use it this. Now for this text also we should create a class, heading text. Okay, fine.
Yes,
Are
sir.
are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Heading text. I'll change the color itself to black, but I'll paste the font family. Okay, now it looks nice, right? So I'll just increase the line height so that we'll get a gap between them. Okay, in this line height, let me give it 2. Fine. It looks
Yes,
good
sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to change this to dots. How can we change that?
Dotted line.
Tell me now how to change it. For HR, I'm taking HR directly because all are same. Okay, I'll change the color to teal. Okay, color to teal color. And what should I do? I should bottom border, I'll just put 0 pixels, or else I'll put none. Okay, now if you see, or and I'll change this to dotted bottom style, right? Or else border
Border.
style, it's dotted. If I zoom it, what happened? We have taken border bottom none, right? We should take bottom border, I guess. Both are same, right?
Sir, but it shows border bottom only. Sir.
But it is not working. Why? It is not. It shouldn't show like this actually.
Sir, try border none, sir. Border none, sir.
Then everything will go. Border none should be kept. Yes. Border none. It will then change that to circle, I guess. No, it is not coming.
Sir, border radius 50%. That one, sir.
But we should delete the second one. Down one we should delete. The day we have done actually. We are doing something wrong, guys.
Sir, there should be no border, no, sir. So its style itself should be dotted, no, sir.
Okay, dotted. Done. But it's not changing to circle. Why? Where did this go? Now we need see it has 4 corners. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We should delete the bottom one. The day we have done.
Yes, sir.
How now? I know how to do that. You should tell me. Check in Google yourself and try to tell. Take time. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు సిల్వర్లో ఉండవు గోల్డ్కి వస్తే మళ్ళీ 70 పాయింట్స్ వస్తే గోల్డ్కి వస్తాయి. Guys, what happened?
Sir,
Sir,
border
only
left,
give a
right,
border
none.
tops.
Border left, right, none.
Left, right, okay, none. What about bottom one?
None.
I tried that actually, it didn't work. Border left, none. Border bottom, none. I tried this. Border right, none. Yes, this one I tried, right? It didn't work. It worked now. I guess it worked. Yes, nice. Now I want to make that circle. How to do that now? Actually, because of this
Border
server,
address.
like why it's not updating properly. Border for this
It
circle.
is
Yes.
50%, sir.
Still, any idea? Any idea?
Sir, border top dotted, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Border top dotted.
I want it in circles.
Sir, now try giving border radius. Sir, give lesser values.
Mm-hmm. Border radius only should give. I think we should give it in pixels, I guess. We have done that before. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, 1 minute. Hello. Class. Huh.
Yes, sir.
Guys, try. Check in MDN docs. Actually, dotted we should get directly dots like in circles. Yes or no?
Sir, try giving size and width and then giving border radius. Sir. Size, width, and then border radius.
Okay, let me try something. Border. I'll try something. Wait. Border style. Let me put it none. Border top style. Actually, here we should give border top style as dotted. Understood, I guess. Now with this it will change. Now it will work. But we want radius, right? We should change the border property. Border is 5 pixel. Dotted. Now it will change. See. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Border property. See. Now we should do border bottom. actually 5 pixel dotted, and here is
Sir, border top 5 pixel dotted.
border top 5 pixel
Dotted.
very good. But we got border bottom also, we should change that. Border bottom none. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And border right none. Border left none. Exactly. Now if I want to reduce the width, what should I do?
Width property.
Width I'll give 20%. I'll reduce it to 10%. Okay. I'll give it a bit of padding from all sides. 20%. Fine. Or let me increase it. 40 pixel, and here I'll give 5%. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us change the color of my skills. So will you do this other part? Should I share this PDF or should I tell you everything? Will you do this other part? This button I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you do and show me, like this website you should do it with your image, with your name and all this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try to do it by tomorrow's session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only one is saying yes, others.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give you a try. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. I will directly share you the link to explain you. Okay. If you have any doubt at any time, up to tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We can join in a meet and I will solve the issue. Okay.
Sir, what's tomorrow's session timing?
Same time.
Okay, sir.
If you are at home, we can have it morning also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.